switchbacks and curves and S-corners and windies, and it keeps getting better and better.
It's very unique because you don't have to hold back about talking about your car. There's no pecking order. If you've got a 12C, if you've got a 650, if you've got 720, if you've got P1, everyone is just enthusiastically talking about the cars.
Firstly, the rally is great fun. I think for us the most important thing about it is, firstly, we give our customers a chance to drive their cars on some great roads. They get to mix with each other and gives an opportunity for us McLaren employees to get to know them in a non-work environment, and actually they become like friends.
I don't think there's anything like Car Week, and the fact that they add on 3 or 4 days of driving throughout California and some of the other states that are close by, I mean, this is really different.
When I think about the McLaren Rally, it's an overall experience. The brand makes you feel like family. That family part of it is really what makes me want to come back.
It's great to be around like-minded people. We all have the passion for the car, for the driving. You know, we're all adrenaline junkies.
The ballooning was a lot of fun. It was just so spectacular, going through the cloud and then looking out over all the valleys. I mean, it was really just serene.
Definitely a unique experience for sure, so a bit unnerving going up through, not knowing what's up there.
We weren't expecting it, and it's just been amazing to go above the clouds. It was just peaceful, quiet, and beautiful.
That was frightening, amazing, exciting, and I've definitely never done that again, ever. It was amazing.
We were coming up 101 and it was pretty empty. It's the first time I've really had a chance to get the 720 in a straight line really moving, and it really moves. I mean, they're designed to go at speed, and that's what they do very, very well.
First time I had ever done autocross in my life.
Going out there, just ripping loose with the cars was really fun.
After like the second or third time going out, I was like, oh, I can get this. I got beat by a 10th. We got it back on top. We lost it. It was a cat and mouse game.
It's prize giving time. The flag runner, the most improved, the main prize is the fastest lap.
Just talking and laughing with a bunch of friends, having a good glass of wine, that's some of the best stuff.
The dark grey LT that we saw on the lawn the other night, yes, spectacular.
Yeah, the 600 LT, they pulled the covers off of that, and you just stood back and said, wow, they did it again.
It's kind of fun to see the first one, especially with the roof scoop on it too. The little touches on it, really, really nice.
The details on the Senna and the event center are just been a real joy to see. You know, there's just so much. It's a car that you almost want to touch. It's just such a tactile design. So for me, I've completely kind of fallen in love with the car, much more so than I would have ever expected.
When you arrive, you just get dumped into one activity after another one, whether it's Quail, Pebble, drives, racetracks. It's nonstop event.
Oh, I love the corkscrew. I would say that was, you know, it was really fun to be on the track at Laguna Seca, yeah.
I love the corkscrew.
It has to be the corkscrew. This year we were more on it.
It was a blast. Yes, it was fun.
I think that's what really makes it fun is, you know, there's the driving piece of it, but there's also the events pieces of it. Being able to get to the concourse tomorrow, Quail yesterday, you know, being able to talk about the car with Rob for a while and what they did.
He talks you through the design features of the car that you wouldn't normally get access to.
Having the McLaren executives, the team around is really, really neat to do, and feeling a big part of that is something I don't think you get anywhere else.
It's beyond like-minded individuals coming together. It's become family.
All of the people we've met have been fantastic. The actual event's so well organized. I mean, everything's just a pleasure. Lots of nice surprises. So.
The Pebble Beach concourse is the highlight of the entire week. Cannot wait to come back. It'll be 4 years in a row then.
I'm bringing my own car next year. We're each gonna have one, so I don't have to share the drive.
We came here for the brand, for the car, and we really, I think you'll come back for the people.